Welcome back to my channel. So I've got a good news for all of you that Star Air Airline has started recruitment for cabin crew freshers, 10 plus 2 pass and experienced crew. So anyone can apply in this. Only female cabin crew is required. So guys, whoever is seeing this video can also help your friends or your sisters at home or in your school or college. So 10 plus 2 pass is enough for this job. For freshers and experienced can also apply for this job. So it's really a good news. One by one I'm making such kind of videos and I hope you're liking it. And I can see that you guys are liking it, you guys are interacting in messages, SMS. So I'm really happy that I'm helping you all. So do not forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update. I'll keep posting these kind of videos in my YouTube channel for all of you so that everyone should get a job. So this video is only for cabin crew freshers and experienced female. So whoever is watching this, please share it to your friends and family so that they can also apply for this. Anyone can apply for this. I will tell you what are the criteria and how you can apply, who all can apply, who all cannot apply, and what are the eligibility of this cabin crew interview. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest update. So let's get into the video without wasting time. Yes, Star Air Airline has started recruiting experienced and fresher cabin crew. So what are the eligibility and how you can apply for it? So first eligibility is education qualification 10 plus 2 pass from recognized board or university. So whatever you have, if you have a plus 10 plus 2 certificate, you can apply for this job. Yes guys, you can apply. Only females are there, okay? So height and weight is minimum 155 centimeter for girls and weight is proportionate to height. So it's a BMI thing. And the next is female Indian nationality only can apply. So no other nationality can apply. So Indians can apply anytime right now guys. Just few hours back this vacancy has come. So try to apply it as soon as possible. Please watch this video, do not skip the video. Please, I have given lots of information in this video, so please do not skip the video. And next is appearance, body language, positive body language and well grooming. No tattoos visible, so they have specifically told that there should not be any tattoos. And the next is requirement is only for Bangalore and Belgaum. So it is not like that only Belgaum and Bangalore people can apply. It's not like that at all. There is a post vacancy on Bangalore and Belgaum on this airline. So anyone from any state can apply for this job and you will get placed in Bangalore and Belgaum. Okay. So this is the one thing, and the next is mandatory CV to be attached. So they have given an online form. I will mention that in the description box. So do check, click the link. That is the official link of Star Air Airlines. So do not believe on people who are saying that they are asking you money and they are telling you that you will get recruited. No, you can just apply online. It's free of cost guys, free of cost. And I will tell you how you can apply and what are the columns are there, what you need to fill. Everything I will tell you in this video, and the link will be mentioned in the description box. So do click the link. You can see that it's a Star Air Airlines website. So I will tell you the next thing is, when you submit the CV should have your passport size photograph. So passport size photograph should be in formals and little bit of grooming should be there. So you're applying for a cabin crew, so make sure that you don't click photograph in t-shirt or whatever you have. It should be clicked in formal dress and everything should be like a little bit grooming should be there. Okay. So next is how you can apply for it. So you can apply, I'm just showing you in the screen how you can apply. The first one is applicant name. So your name should be written, write the full name. Okay, the second one is email address. So make sure that you write the correct email address. They will contact you on your email address only. So please make sure that you write the correct email address on this form. And next is qualification. So qualification is whatever 10 plus 2. So they have not given a column to slide down and check which you can select. So you need to just write 10 plus 2, or if you're graduate, write graduate in it. Okay, the next is work experience. If you're fresher, you can just write 0. Current remuneration, that means your salary, current salary. If you're not working, you're fresher, just write 0 so that you can continue. And the next one is, if you have work experience, please write the work experience, current salary, what you're getting in that airline or airline, and then the current location where you are right now. You need to write that location, and current employee, if you're working wherever you're working, you need to write that. So the next is choose file. You can see the choose file. You need to click that and get your resume from your gallery or drive, wherever you have kept. Make sure that everything is mentioned on the resume, your current. If you have an experience, make sure you write your experience there. And if you have a competency card valid, just write that it is valid, and if it's only for experience. So and the next one is freshers. Please make sure that you write whatever specialities you have and everything. Make sure passport size photograph is attached so that they can judge you through that with your resume and your photo and call you or email you. So in the resume, make sure you give your updated number so that they can call you whenever the vacancy or they need the crew. Okay, and then is the apply button. So easy form, guys. Make sure that you apply it right. You give your details correctly. Take your time and give your details right so that you will get call or SMS or email from this airline. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and I wish you all the best for your interviews if you get emails. If not, then all the best for next. You keep trying. Do not get disheartened that you did not get an email or you didn't get as soon as I mailed. No, it will take time. You guys have to have patience, okay? And if you get some other airline vacancy when I put it, make sure you apply for that also. Whichever vacancy or whichever airline calls you, make sure that you go and attend their interview. So all the best, guys, for all of you. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful, and make sure you guys apply for this job, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in another video. Bye bye.